Welcome to Smart Driving TV. In this video we're going to be teaching you how to reverse bay park using the free line method. In my opinion, this is one of the most effective and easy methods to reverse bay park that you can learn. So in the background right now you're seeing an example of this method, but let's go and break it down into how you guys would do this. So to reverse bay park we use a method called POM. So this stands for prepare. First, choose the bay you wish to park in, and the first line of that bay is going to be line 0. We're then going to drive forward until line 3 lines up with our reference point. Then we're going to stop, full lock the wheel towards the bay and put the car into reverse. We're then going to observe, looking all around to ensure it's clear before continuing the maneuver. Once it's clear, we're going to slowly move back, continuing to look around and keeping an eye on our mirrors. Once our car is straight with the bay lines, which we should be able to tell by looking in our mirrors and seeing both bay lines, we want to stop the car, straighten the wheel, and then continue to reverse until the bay line appears under our mirror. I'm going to show you an example of a picture of this. Once this is done, we then want to secure the car. The first step is we want to choose the bay we want to park in. The first line of this bay will be line 0. Then we want to drive forward until line 3 lines up with our reference point. We're then going to stop, turn the wheel full lock towards the bay and put the car into reverse. The second step is to observe all around and ensure it's clear before we continue the maneuver. I'm moving forward, lining up the third line with about the middle of my door. That's my personal reference point. You can try this on your own. If you're a little bit too far forward, then you can change it next time. I'm then full locking the wheel towards the bay, looking all around, and when it's clear, I continue to reverse back nice and slow. I continue reversing until my car is level or straight with the lines behind me. Once I'm straight to the bay, I stop the car, straighten my wheel, and then continue to reverse back until my car is fully in the bay.